Hola! We are Sara
and Joni.
Together we live and travel full time in this pickup camper truck. We like to be alone in the nature and spend time with each other a lot.
But sometimes it's something else. When you meet like-minded people on the road, those memories you will remember for so long time.
Past few days we have spent time with our friends. We did travel as a caravan, went for walks in the nature, enjoyed the beautiful scenery, and of course sat next to the bonfire. It's sometimes really nice to just kick back and relax and meet like-minded people. We do have a last night here in Spain. Unfortunately, weather is going to be a little bit crappier one, and tomorrow it's going to be even snow here. So we are leaving the place and going lower in the altitude. And tomorrow is an exciting day in that sense that we will go to the France. Finally, we will cross the border.
Now we are finally on our favorite part of the Spain, so Pyrenees. Yeah. This time we are spending night on the old quarry, and it suits really good on this because this is one of the most highest points of the whole region or whole area, and we can see all those Pyrenees mountains with the snow in around us. Yeah, we went today for a little hike with our friends. Yeah, we have been traveling as a caravan with our Finnish friends in here in Pyrenees, so it's been nice. That is a town of Bonanza, so if you wanna look where in the map we are at the moment, but this is a smaller road that goes through these valleys over here. It's always surprising that in Spain the roads are in such a great condition. Even the smaller like mountain roads that are beneath the snow in the middle of the winter, they are still maintained right perfectly. In Greece it's randomly good road or bad road, but here you can actually tell that you can just drive wherever is a road that is a good one. Not much traffic, sun is setting there, so this is a quite good place. This small tarmac road, I think it will be totally quiet during the night time when we are spending night in here. Yeah, old quarry. We came here because we want to see all the surrounding mountains around us. Down there in the forest, yes, it's sometimes nice to spend the night in the forest because there ain't that much forest in Spain, but seeing these mountain tops with still some snow left, it's really nice. We did put together our outdoor shower just before we left, so it's still work in progress, but still this is heaven. After going for a hike and getting a hot shower outside here, it's a bliss.
Hi there. It's currently 8:14 a.m.
8:40. No.
Good morning. We had an alarm on because we are parked next to the road that is only open during the night time. So we need to leave before the clock is 9 o'clock. Yeah. Today is an exciting day. We are leaving Spain behind, so get ready with us. We are in a hurry. We are going to drink morning coffee and clean a bit and then start driving. Such a newbie mistake. We woke up to this, so all our shit spread around and we are in a hurry. Never do that. Always clean before you go to bed when you have an early wake up. It sucks to start cleaning now when you are in a hurry.
Good morning. We ran out of water already. So this is all the water that we have for the rest of the days. So water tank is totally empty. We have to move forward. That is one of the reasons why we move forward. And also the weather gets worse, so we want to move forward. Yeah, sometimes we spend in one place longer period of time, and then usually we need to save all the water that we need. So be really cautious. In Spain we had 370 gigabytes of data per month to use. Now we go to France and we are not going to spend a whole month in France, so we don't buy a SIM card from there. So from now on we have 40 gigabytes of data from my Finnish carrier and 35 gigabytes from Vodafone. That is included in the prepaid. So we have to be really careful in France when we are using data there. So no more dead scrolling of TikTok. Yeah, and while we were here in Spain for the last days, we used all that time to download everything. So offline maps for phones, movies, series. So we have everything offline. That is one of the major things that we have to do when we don't have that much data.
First time ever we are drinking and driving.
Yeah. So the
road is
closing to us, so we have to leave before we have actually enjoy our coffee.
Janni, on scale to 1 to 10, how badly you would like to have a automatic truck right now?
Really, it would be a dream, and also I would love to have a newer truck with
cruise control.
Cruise control or adaptive cruise control. Ooh.
Damn it.
Yes, we are out of here
and heading towards the pavement roads, leaving this bumpy road behind. Then we can actually drink our coffees. Yeah.
Stopped here to have a breakfast, and we don't have water, so we cannot do our dishes. So I'm the dishwasher this time. Yeah. In the past years we have learned various ways of saving water, because we have only 80 liters of water and we want to live with that for at least a week. So I'm used to clicking all the plates and forks before we start the dishwashing. It saves a lot of water.
We are leaving sunny Spain behind, and it's so cloudy here next to the France, and we are taking water from Spain because we remember from our previous travels in France that the water taps are closed, and they are closed during winter, and winter season is kind of long from fall to spring, so better safe than sorry. Now that we have a water, we can do the dishes right away. Always thinking ahead. This way we can top up our water tank, and when we go to our camping place, I don't have to start doing dishes because they are already done. Yeah. We rarely run out of water, but sometimes it happens. And just like that, we are in France! Voya voya! Katila is turning to old lady.
Yeah, there was a big moment and we missed it. So now the Kotila has been driven for 200,000 kilometers.
They grow up so fast.
Hopefully we can see her retire in next 20 years. We thought that we wouldn't buy a SIM card in France, but in the same time we decided when crappy weather hits us that we are not going to go to the Alps region and stay in France for longer period of time. So we went and got us a SIM card from free, 20 euros for 350 gigabytes of data. So we can doom scroll again. But yeah, it's really easy to find those boutiques or even those vending machines where you just put a random address there and your email address and you get a SIM card from the that vending machine and you don't need to talk to anyone. Bonus. It works always well. So, beautiful town again. Wherever you go in France, it's always beautiful. When you drive through these towns, they are always beautiful, yeah. Now we have settled in France. It's grey France at the moment, but it doesn't matter. We have a battery full of power, so we can watch movies or do some gaming, or I can just study whatever we want here. Beautiful place. We are just beside the lake in here in France. Yeah. We were talking about being offline sometime, but somehow we just bought the local SIM card for us. But yeah, good place to spend the night. It was a couple of hours of driving here, and now we can be here for over a couple of days, I think. Then we really need to figure it out what is the route that we're gonna take. But this is a good place to be, because this is in the middle, so we can either go to the north of the France or we can go to the east of France, whatever we want. And this is one thing in France. There's a lot of churches and they will ring their bells every hour. You have to just get used to it. But beautiful place, France. It always gets our moods up. It's so beautiful. The houses, it's green, lush green, in the start of the spring. I don't know if it's start of the summer here already, because it's so green, but still. We love it. Punkko.
Punkkuviini.
Punkkuviini.